In this video, I'll show you how to speed up Udemy videos. Speeding up Udemy videos is useful when you want to finish lessons faster, review familiar topics quickly, or move through slower explanations at a pace that feels better for you. First, open Udemy in your browser or mobile app and sign into your account. Make sure you are using the same account where your course is enrolled. Next, go to My Learning and open the course you want to watch. Choose the lecture you want to play, then start the video. Once the video player opens, look for the playback speed option. On the desktop version, this is usually found near the bottom of the video player. It may appear as 1x, speed, or a small settings style control. Click the speed option, then choose the speed you prefer. For example, so you can select 1.25 times if you want the video slightly faster, 1.5 times for a noticeably faster pace, or 2 times if you want to move through the lesson very quickly. If you are using the Udemy mobile app, tap the video while it is playing to show the video controls, then look for the speed option and select your preferred playback speed. After changing the speed, continue watching the lesson. If the instructor becomes hard to understand, lower the speed until the audio feels comfortable. For learning new or complex topics, a slower speed may help you understand better. For review lessons, a faster speed can save time. You can change the speed at any time during the course. Some students use normal speed for difficult sections and faster speed for introductions, summaries, or topics they already know. Using playback speed properly helps you learn more efficiently while still keeping control over your study pace. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.